Hello, this is Mrs. Cariotti from the Citizenship Academy in Syracuse, New York, and I wanted to bring a brief lesson on decodable sentences. As you can see on the screen that I'm sharing with you, I have two different sentences with pictures attached with words that are either sight words or they are decodable words, which means that you can sound the words out. Now, what I'm going to do is before we even get started, I am going to take my highlighter and I'm going to highlight the words that are just sight words. Okay? Here's a sight word. Here it is again. Okay. Now, with my yellow highlighter, as you can see on my screen, I went ahead and I highlighted all of the sight words. Now, I'm going to change my color over, and I'm going to change it to a nice blue. And the rest of the colors, I'm going to highlight in my blue color. Now, these are all my decodable words, meaning they're words that I can sound out. Okay? So, we're going to take a look at these sentences that I have on the screen in front of you. Now, I'm going to underline the word that we're going to start at. This is the word we're going to start at. This word right here. Now, this is a sight word. T-H-E spells the. That's a sight word. The. P-ig. P-ig. Pig. Here's another sight word. Is. In. Here's another sight word. It's the same as that first word. The. And our last word. Mud. Mud. So, let's go ahead and let's read that sentence together. Here we go. The pig is in the mud. Let's do that one more time. Read it with me. I'm going to add my yellow color back here. I accidentally deleted that. There we go. Let's read it together one more time. Here we go. The pig is in the mud. And look at that. We even have a picture to match our words, to match our sentence. The pig is in the mud. Excellent job. We're going to do one more sentence together. Now, again, what I'm going to do is I am going to change my color, and I'm going to highlight all of the words that are sight words in yellow, just like I did the first time. And then I'm going to highlight in blue our decodable words. Okay? Now, again, we're going to start at the first word in the sentence. This is a sight word. It says I. Can. Here's another sight word. See. My. Here's a decodable. Mom, sight word, and dad, dad. Okay, let's go ahead and let's read that together. Here we go. I can see my mom and dad. Let's read it one more time together. And I want you to make sure you're reading along with me as we do this. Ready? Here we go. I can see my mom and dad. And again, nice picture to match our words. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to delete all the colors that I've put on my screen. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll my screen up and I'm going to show you the rest of the sentences that I want you to read. No, it's not letting me scroll. So what I want you to do is I want you to continue to read the sentences that are attached to the rest of this document. Okay? I'll see you again soon.